All right, we got a pretty nice dent here on a Kia Sorento. See the body line's all pinched in here. A little bit of distortion around the emblem, and a good old slamming it shut dent with the buckle up in here. Let's see how we do. All right, we got the Atlas Titans ready to go for the first pulls here. We'll see how they do. It's a little cool today, to say the least. First pull here moved a fair bit. The line's almost back to where it needs to be. Pull here didn't do a whole lot. Panel's kind of cool. All right, warmed the panel up a little bit. Get a little better pull. See, a lot of the depth came out of that one. I pulled there, and this one moved incredibly well. The body line is about back where it's going to stay. We're real close. I haven't lit it up yet. But what we're going to do now is strap it in place and start working some of the crowns. I'll show you those too. Alright guys, here's the lighting it up. You see the crowns on the back side and the crowns on the front side. Right there's with the peak. And then down in. So we're going to start tapping some crowns. Get the light there. And there's the crown around the top one. A little pinch next to the handle. Alright, here we go. A lot of tapping on the crown. See, we got another dent on the side closest to the camera. And you can see the little dimples. That's sort of how I tell it's time to go to work on the dent some more. And there's the dent. We're going to give it a couple more glue pulls. Alright, that's after a few extra glue pulls. Tap down those high spots and start tooling this bottom dent. Alright guys, so this dent up here by the bracket is actually the end of a brace right here. Really, really tight. If I can show you. Alright, yeah, so you can see right here, that bolt's the end of the bolt for the chrome. And the way that brace is put on, the dent's sitting right there. I'm afraid if I cut that loose, we have some problems. So I'm going to try to see how far we can take it glue pulling. Alright, so there was one pull with like a quarter size Atlas tab. And we're looking at pit under here. So I'm going to try my, like in that one video I did, my smallest Atlas tab. A little heavy on the glue this time. I'm going to see if we can't get that big snap. And then we'll have to push it off. Yeah, ready? Nah, still see right there. There's that pit. So what I'm going to do now is work on the work on that big crown, work on some of these shoulders, and we'll revisit it. All right, so I couldn't get this to glue pull here. Yeah, I couldn't get it. It's just too puckered up. I ended up having to sneak in with a with an ultra whale tail. It's super tight. Alright, here's a final pan. It's a wholesale car. A little bit right there at the tip of that crown that I just can't get a tool to, and it won't glue pull. A little bumpy. This came out pretty nice. This came out pretty nice. See a little wiggle there. Really not too bad. And the conduit's sort of like Sal's picket fence. Alright, thanks for watching. If we can help you out with a dent or a ding, give us a call or visit us at dentrepairnow.com.